big wheels and small wheels. And it turns and can do that. Then this dog is the engine. It's here. Everything. I think it's fine. I think it. The bulldozer has big buckets and pushed all dirt. Look. It can go anywhere. This, and it connects here. This is a trailer. It can drive everything. Beep, 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 beep. It can drive everything we want. It can haul dirt and stuff. It's going to over here. Tractor wants to go anywhere. Quack. Over the dirt. This is a construction zone. Please be careful. Right here? And here we go. Hey, watch out, here I come. We'll put our dirt. It has to be right here. Right here. I have to put the dirt right here. Beep, beep. This is a monster bus. Ready to smash the car. I'm ready to smash the car. Let's go again. It doesn't smash. One more time. Ready? Go! One more time. This is so cool. To the throwing. Oh. So tiny. I think let's try. This is a school bus. No. Let's try this one. Let's put a bridge. much fun. My turn. Okay. I hope you had fun. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe.